Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button immediately. For today's recipe, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, I'm then going to add 2 medium-sized onions. As you can see here, sliced the onions. Here I'm now going to fry it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the onions become nice and soft. While the onions are frying, I'm also going to add some slit green chilies here. Here I'm adding 2 slit green chilies. Along with the green chilies, I'm also going to add some chopped garlic here. After adding the green chilies and chopped garlic, I'm then going to mix it really well with the onions. After 5 minutes, I'm then going to add 1 tablespoon of Szechuan chutney. Along with that, half a tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of chili oregano sauce, and 2 tablespoons of honey mustard sauce. Along with that, I'm going to add 2 capsicums to it. I'm then going to mix this really well and fry this well for another 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm then going to add a little bit of salt as per taste. After adding the salt as per taste, I'm then going to fry it for another 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'm then going to add about 5 ready-made pepper and cheese chicken sausages. After adding the sausages, I'm then going to mix this really well with the rest of the dish. As you can see here, mixing this really well until the time all the sauces get mixed really well with all the sausages. Here I'm now going to let these sausages fry for another 3 minutes. As you can see here, the cheese is melting really well and mixing well with the rest of the dish. After 3 minutes, you can then add some coriander leaves here to garnish it, which is optional, and then you can switch off the flame. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.